Finding home care for a loved one in his or her twilight years is a difficult decision many people face each year. Not only do you have to consider the practical needs of your loved one, but you also need to take into account his or her wishes on living in a way he or she would like. Still, you want to make sure the proper nursing care is provided, as well as any other needs for your loved one. For instance, you want to look into whether or not you can find a good home care service that deals with seniors struggling with conditions such as Alzheimer's or dementia. There are also other issues that need to be considered, such as mobility. You want to use a service that knows the best ways to help seniors with mobility issues get around in a way that is safe and convenient, as well as causes the least distress. All good services for seniors understand the importance of helping seniors with their day-to-day routines. Home care workers should know how to provide their patients with basic grooming needs, including helping those who need to bathe and dress themselves. Sometimes it may even be necessary to run errands to make sure their patients have basic necessities as well as medications. Services also need to be aware of their patients' dietary needs and make sure workers fulfill them. Of course, you also have other practical concerns when it comes to seniors' nursing care, most likely whether or not you can afford it. There are services that accept Medicare or other forms of insurance to help you keep costs down while making sure your loved one gets the care he or she needs. You can check with your service to make sure you have the right kind of coverage for the specific care needs of your loved ones. It is never easy when it comes to finding a service you know you can trust to take care of the senior in your life. However, you can take away some of the anxiety and burden when you take the time to determine what it is your loved one really needs in home care and looking to see which service is most likely to have the resources necessary to provide him or her with the nursing care he or she needs. Boca Home Care Services has been servicing Palm Beach and Broward counties since 1998. We proudly match screened, certified, and experienced home care aides to aging seniors and their family who may be recovering from a fall, surgery, or managing a progressive disease. Call us today for a free consultation at 561-989-0611 or toll free at 877-706-0785.